Today's video is going to be the hard and harsh realities and truth about user experience design field. Now, I have been in this field from past 15 years and there are a lot of things that are coming in these years like 2022, 2023, and there are things you need to understand if you are trying to become a user experience designer. Now I'm going to start with, like, we have 6 points right now. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is creativity is limited. You see a lot of dribble shots, creative, I would call it creative porn normally. So in reality, creativity is very, very limited. There are a lot of processes, there are a lot of design systems. If you join as a user experience designer or product designer in any design firm, they already have established rules, established standards, established design kit or UI kit. So you have to follow most of it. So creativity is very limited. So here I would suggest you that you should be very, very good at usability and user experience based guidelines. So you should understand that these are the things that you should take care and improve the usability using the current design system or UI kit. So first, creativity is limited. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, which is Stix.co, and they provide you basically music packs. You can use those packs for game production, you can use those packs for audio production, you can use those packs for content creation. So you can download their free downloads that are really, really awesome. I was amazed by their packs. You can see over here hearts, nurture, chroma. So if you go to all free buys, you can download the free packs. And if you think that the premium packs you find on other websites, they are very, very highly priced, then you will love Stix Ultimate Edition. You can sign up for the Ultimate Edition. And the benefit of using Stix is that this is an analog of Splice and Loop Cloud. Here you can download all Stix products by subscribing. Everything is very conveniently loaded into the browser of your DAW, which is digital audio workstation. You can immediately use the samples and plugins in your tracks. Stix Ultimate Edition, you can find the link in the description below, so make sure you sign up for that, and you might find a discount coupon, also discount code for the launch, and that is all. Second, try to choose an area of expertise. So user experience design is a vast field, and if you are a designer, for example UI designer, and you design everything like logos and SaaS web apps, landing pages, mobile apps, or whatever comes to you, you design. You have to be specific or try to choose a niche among all these design areas. For example, if I talk about myself, I mostly do projects where I design SaaS or web app dashboards or web app designs and landing pages. So these are the two things that I am most experienced about, and I enjoy doing that. So I have most of the projects of my life, I did these two the most. So website design and web app design. So these are the things that I am expert at. So similarly, you have to select that I am going to be, for example, an iOS mobile app designer or Android mobile app designer or whatever. So whenever you join a firm, you need to see that they have the same capacity. For example, you join a firm and they have like they have like 4 or 5 Android app developers in Flutter or whatever they are using. So you should be going to match with them a lot if you have the similar experience. Third is imposter syndrome. So whatever stage you are in your career, in your design or user experience design career, there is a time when the killers your imposter syndrome is going to kill you, or it is going to hit you hard. So you have to understand that even experienced designers like ourselves who have 10 plus years of experience, they even get the same imposter syndrome when we start a new project, when we start a new job at any firm, or whenever we start something. So try to limit it, try to be confident about it, just step into it and start designing. That is the tip. Your fear will go away once you start designing one or first or two screens. So this is how you are going to overcome your imposter syndrome. Next is noise. So how you are going to cut through all that noise, because in recent year like 2023, I am seeing a lot of junior designers. Okay, so junior user experience designers, UI designers, there are a lot of tons of junior user experience designers. And I will show you one screen. Let me show you one job. So this is the job on weworkremotely.com, and you can see on this job we have 450 applicants. I think it is too much. If there are like more than 100 applicants, it would be, your chances of getting hired are going to be very, very slim. So you can understand that if you want to cut out through this noise, you have to develop some very solid design skills. Like for me, I normally tell all the junior designers that work on your typography and color schemes. If you are, you know, if your typography selection and your color schemes, these are the your power tools, your whole design or whole design theme is going to be very, very powerful. So try to learn all these things. And I would also suggest that whenever you apply on any job, you can keep on reading all the requirements or whatever they do. For example, main responsibilities, like you can see they are asking for excellent communication skills. That is another plus. Okay, so make sure that you read, keep on reading the latest job post. You can also visit this We Work Remotely and keep on reading these job posts. And you need to equip yourself with all the latest things that are going on, and mostly you can find them in the job description. Okay, so this is about how to cut through all the noise and how to keep entertained with the latest tools and techniques and design trends. Now, one other harsh truth is that a lot of newbies or new designers, or whenever they join a firm, they think that user needs is everything. And in reality, I personally think that stakeholder needs are going to win against user needs. Okay, so keep that in your mind. If your designs are not converting, if they are not making profit, I think your time in that firm is going to be short. So they will keep on hiring you for 2 or 3 years, then they are going to kick you off, because stakeholders are more interested in profits and of course money. The business is about money. So if your designs are converting, for example, I design landing pages, my clients ask me some of the times that can you iterate the top portion or header or hero area of this landing page, because this design is not converting. Although the design is great, but the problem is that uh, those maybe something is there, maybe some color or something that is putting the user off. So I try another color scheme, maybe a lighter version, maybe a darker version, to see how this actually converts. So sometimes we have to redo 3 or 4 different headers or different designs. And there is a term called A/B testing, and we normally do A/B testing of those to see which one is going to perform well. So always keep in mind that stakeholder needs are going to, have more importance than user needs in reality. Now, the last step. Okay, so in the last, how you can get hired in if you are a user experience designer 2023. One tip I'm going to give you is that build an impressive portfolio. So I have seen some of my students that are getting hired by, or getting very big projects, even bigger than my own projects. What they have common in their portfolio is they have very, very well designed, well defined, like 10 different, like 5 or 6 mobile apps, 2 or 3 web designs, and maybe 3 or 4 web app designs. So they have this kind of portfolio that looks really, really well. And this is, I would say, this is the recipe of a portfolio, that your portfolio, whenever someone looks at it, it should be impressive. So this is kind of first impression on your employer. So keep in mind that build an impressive portfolio, show your process, how you actually reached it. Because if you look at design companies, or if a experienced user experience designer is going to hire you, they are going to look for designs and your process. So make sure you have shown that this change actually, generated 200% more conversions or something like that. So the employer, the company that is going to hire you, they know that your designs are customer focused and you are talking about return on investment for design. So this is my video about why you should not become a user experience designer in 2023. And if you are becoming a user experience designer in 2023, you need to have all these realities or reality check in your mind, that creativity is going to be limited. Try to choose a niche or area of expertise within user experience design. It could be user research, it could be anything. Third is how to kill or control your imposter syndrome. Fourth is how to cut through all the noise of junior designers. There is a lot of noise. You can also write articles on Medium if you are good at something. That is also going to cut some noise. Stakeholder needs versus user needs. Stakeholders are always going to win. And the last step I gave you, how to build an impressive portfolio. So this is my video about what you should know to become a user experience designer in 2023. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. I hope this video will reach you and will help you in your building your user experience design career. I will meet you in another video and see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.